Hello friends, welcome. In Standard 12th, chapter number 11, 3-dimensional geometry. In the last period, we was discuss plane and their conditions. That is equation of plane in normal form, equation of plane passing through one point and having normal, equation of plane passing through three non-collinear points, angle between two planes, distance from a point to the plane, and some examples in exercise 11.3. Now, today we are going to learn another examples in exercise 11.3. Start from example number 2. That find the vector equation of plane which is at a distance of 7 unit from the origin and normal to the vector 3i plus 5j minus 6k. Now we have given that normal n bar 3i plus 5j minus 6k and distance from the origin is 7 unit. Now we know that there are three format of equation of plane which is having distance and unit normal, having point and normal, and having three non-collinear points. So this is an first type of example, that having a distance from the origin and unit normal. But here we don't have a unit normal, it is a simple normal. So convert this normal in term of unit normal. That equals to what? N cap. We know that N cap equals to N bar upon magnitude of N bar. That put up the values N bar 3i plus 5j minus 6k upon finding the magnitude, that equals to what? Under root of 3 square plus 5 square plus minus 6 square. When we solve, that equals to 3i plus 5j minus 6k, then under root of 3 square, that is 9, plus 25 plus 36, that equals to all sum is equals to what? Under root of 17. This is your n cap. Then we know that equation of plane having unit normal and having distance is r bar dot n cap is equals to d. Then put up r bar dot n cap equals to what? This is an n cap, that 3i plus 5j minus 6k upon d under root of 17 is equals to d, that is what? 7. We have given that 7 unit. Then d is equals to 7 unit. This under root 17, divide, it will be multiple of 7. Then the final answer is equals to what? R bar dot 3i plus 5j minus 6k is equals to 7 root 17. And this is the final answer. That is an vector equation of a plane, that r bar dot 3i plus 5j minus 6k is equals to 7 root 17. Now third example is find a Cartesian equation of, there are three examples, r bar dot I plus j minus k equals to 2, b r bar dot 2i plus 3j minus 4k equals to 1, and third is another r bar dot s minus 2ti plus 3 minus tj plus 2s plus tk equals to 15. We will take second examples. We just convert this vector form into Cartesian form. So just put up the value of r, that r equals to what? xi plus yj plus zk dot 2i plus 3j minus 4k is equals to 1. Then take a dot product. We know that in the last previous period, dot product we are very understood. Just take a dot of I dot I, j dot j, and k dot k, because other remainings are 0 and I dot I is 1. That x into 2, that is 2x plus 3y minus 4z is equals to 1. This is simply converting vector form into Cartesian form, and that is very simple. You can do easily as same as another examples. Number 4. Find the foot of perpendicular drawn from the origin. And there are again 4 examples. We will take first A. 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 12 equals to 0. That from this equation we know that n bar, therefore normal n bar is equals to what? That 2y plus 3j plus 4k. This is a normal coefficient of x, then coefficient of y, and then coefficient of z. These are the normals. As we know, let the foot of perpendicular, suppose p bar is equals to x1, y1 and z1. That is x1i plus y1j plus z1k. That this is a plane, suppose. This is the first normal. What? 2, 3, 4. And this is a perpendicular from the origin. Origin is 0, 0, 0. And this is what? x1, y1, z1. This point is lies on plane. Okay. And this is an n bar. So this is again n bar, that is normal is again perpendicular. This is again a perpendicular from the origin. Means what? This perpendicular and this perpendicular both are having the relation is what? n bar is parallel to this perpendicular. ये दोनों parallel है. Or if the two vectors are parallel, then what? There is a condition that one vector is scalar multiple of other. So we know that n bar is equals to lambda times of p bar, or we can say that n bar upon p bar is equals to lambda. Then put up the value of n bar and p bar. Then that 2 by x1 or x1 by 2 is equals to y1 by 3 is equals to z1 by 4 is equals to lambda, because they are proportionally equal. Then x1 is equals to what? 2 lambda. y1 is equals to what? 3 lambda. z1 is equals to what? 4 lambda. Then equation of plane for this point, if x1, y1, z1 lies on the plane, then x1, y1, z1 must satisfy the equation of plane. Then for point P, equation of plane, is what? 2x1 plus 3y1 plus 4z1 is equals to 12. Just changing what? X equals to x1, y equals to y1, z equals to z1, because point is on the plane. Now put up the values. That x1 equals to what? 2 lambda. 2 into 2 lambda plus 3 into 3 lambda plus 4 into z1. z1 equals to what? 4 lambda is equals to 12. Value will be taken 4 lambda plus 9 lambda plus 16 lambda is equals to 12. Add it. 16 plus 9, that equals to what? 25 plus 4, 29. 29 lambda equals to 12. Then lambda is equals to what? 12 by 29. Then the point x1 is equals to what? 2 lambda. Means what? 2 into 12 by 29. Then x1 is equals to what? 2 into 12 by 29. y1 is equals to what? 3 lambda. Then 3 into 12 by 29. And z1, that 4 is to 12 by 29. Then x1 is equals to what? 24 by 29. y1 is equals to 36 by 29. z1 is equals to 48 by 29. And this is the foot of perpendicular. x1, y1, z1. That foot of perpendicular is 24 by 29, 36 by 29 and 48 by 29. You can easily do all other remaining examples. Example number 5 becomes, find equation of plane passing through the point 1, 0, minus 2 and having normal that I plus j minus k. As this is the second type of example, second type of equation of plane, find an equation of plane having the point and having the normal, that r bar minus a bar dot n bar is equals to 0. This is the equation of plane. Then put up the value simply. R bar dot n bar, we can solve. R bar dot n bar is equals to what? A bar dot n bar, because when we take a dot, r bar dot n bar minus a bar dot n bar, minus sign, it will be shifting up a bar dot n bar. Take up both way, that we can say that find a vector and Cartesian from both. Let we do r bar dot n bar is equals to a bar is 1, 0, minus 2, that is I minus 2k dot I plus j minus k. Then r bar dot I plus j minus k is equals to I into I 1 plus j into 0, that is 0, minus 2 into 1 minus 1, that is plus 2, that r bar dot I plus j minus k is equals to 3. This is the vector equation of a plane. Now for Cartesian form, put up the value of r. R is equals to what? Xi plus yj plus zk dot I plus j minus k is equals to 3. Then take a dot product, that is I dot I 1, x plus y dot 1, y minus z into 1 minus z is equals to 3, and this is the Cartesian form. Cartesian equation of a plane, of a required plane. Very simple way, just you know that just one formula, r bar minus a bar dot n bar, that equation of plane passing through the one point and having the normal. Same as second examples, you have also do it, that equation of, we have given that again a point 1, 4, 6 and having the normal I minus 2j plus minus k. Number 6 examples, find equation of plane passes through the 3 points. It is very simple, passes through 3 points. We know that the formula of equation of plane passes through 3 points is what? R bar minus a bar dot b bar minus a bar cross c bar minus a bar. Then we will take, let these points are a bar I plus j minus k, expansion of this point 1, 1 minus 1. B bar is equals to what? 6i plus 4j minus 5k, expansion of this point, and C bar minus 4i minus 2j, then what? Plus 3k. Then equation of plane in a vector form is, so vector form is r bar minus a bar dot b bar minus a bar cross c bar minus a bar. So first we want to find b bar minus a bar, c bar minus a bar and their cross. Let me find b bar minus a bar. That b bar is equals to what? 6i plus 4j minus 5k minus a bar is minus I minus j plus k. That equals to 6i minus I, that is 5i, then 4j minus j, that is plus 3j, 5k plus k minus 4k. Same as c bar minus a bar, you can do it, that c bar minus. So the answer is minus 5i minus 3j plus 4k. When we take just 5i plus 3j minus 4k, and here is minus 5i minus 3j minus plus 4k, take a common of minus, then 5i plus 3j minus 4k. It's become as b bar minus a bar. Then c bar minus a bar and b bar minus a bar, they have what? Scalar multiple of other. Therefore what? This is an collinear. AC bar is equals to minus of AB bar. If this is possible, means what? The points are collinear. But the condition, equation of plane, finding the 3 points, the points are non-collinear. But here is the points are collinear. Hence, no plane exists. So we can say that we can't find the equation of plane having these points because the points are collinear. Then none of any plane or no plane exists passing through these points, these 3 points. आप इस प्रकार से इस एग्जाम्पल्स को कर सकते हो. अगर ये एग्जिस्ट नहीं होता तो हम इसमें फिर वैल्यू पुटअप कर देते इस वाले फार्मूले में और ये आंसर निकाल लेते. दैट इज क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट हम कैसे निकालते हैं हमको पता है. आर बार माइनस ए बार हम इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. इस प्रकार से हम इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन पासिंग थ्रू 3 नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स हम निकालेंगे. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है हमारे पास 14 नंबर एग्जाम्पल्स इन 11.3. That find the distance of a point 3 minus 2 1 from the plane 2x minus y plus 2z plus 3. Then we know that finding the distance of a point from the plane, suppose this is the plane, this is the point, we want to find this point D, then ax plus by plus cz minus d is equals to 0 and the point is x1 y1 z1. Then distance d is equals to what? ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 minus d upon a square plus b square plus c square. This is a perpendicular distance. Just use the formula for here. Then put up the value of x1 y1 z1, that equals to, this is suppose x1 y1 z1 in this equation. Then the answer is 2x1, that is 2 into 3. 2 into 3. Then minus y. Y is what? Minus 2 plus 2. Z is equals to what? 1 minus, plus 3 upon that coefficient of a, that is 2 square under root of plus p, that is 1 square minus 1 square plus 2 square. Then when we solve, that equals to 2 3s are 6 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 upon under root of 2 square is 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9. Then that equals to what? 6 plus 4, that is 10 plus 3 13. 13 by 3. 13 by 3 unit. This is the equation of plane. Sorry, this is the distance from the plane to the point. ये वाला भी टॉपिक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और ये वाला बहुत सिंपल होता है. आपको जस्ट पुटअप करना होता है इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन में पॉइंट की वैल्यू और उसकी मैग्नीट्यूड नीचे निकालनी होती है ताकि ये आंसर आपका इजीली आ सके. ये वाला टॉपिक भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है फॉर दिस ईयर वेक्टर फॉर्म के लिए. तो यहाँ पे इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन्स के तीनों सेक्टर्स, तीनों पॉइंट्स और उसके ऊपर एग्जांपल्स हमने लिए और एक जो टॉपिक था डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द पॉइंट, फ्रॉम द प्लेन टू द पॉइंट, वो वाला भी हमने आज लिया है. यहाँ पे ये चैप्टर खत्म होता है. नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ. टिल देन गुड बाय, हैव अ सेफ स्टडी.